Africa of whom my great mother sing along the banks of the distant river. I have never known, but your blood flows in my veins. You are a beautiful black skin. Your blood should regate the fields of your works of your slavery. Children of Africa, ask ma, who am I? Yes, I am the great son of Makhanda Sekukume, Shaka, Moshweshwe, and Bambata Kamanziza. Who am I? Ask ma, ask ma, ask ma. Yes, Ibuile Africa, but not yet. We need to sit down and negotiate about our problems. The situation is getting worse. In order to get our all resources, gold, silver, platinums, mines, as well as our lands. Mawusuka ezansi neAfrica ulibangise phezulu eNorth neAfrica mawufika kwi-border gate bakubuza passport. Where is your passport to go to Mozambique, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Burundi, Tanzania, Congo, Nigeria, Ethiopia, you name them. I wonder why, because Africa is my home. Please allow me to cross the border without permission because I want to go to the north of Africa to see the grave of my grandfather, King Dlomonrangi, the first person who came from Congo River with his wife wearing a leopard skin next to the reeds. When I sing this song, this reminds me the heroes of Africa: Honorable Robert Mugabe, Nkwane Nkrumah, Dr. Lumumba, Dr. Rolihlahla Mandela, Walter Sisulu, Robert Sobukwe, Chris Hani, Mokadafu, Chief Albert Luthuli, and John Langalibalele Dube. These are the heroes of Africa. Never forget the lives of Mama Winnie Mandela and Mercy Simkenge for your input as women and also for being brave to fight for our country. May your souls rest in peace. We promise you as our heroes that we will continue to follow on your footsteps to putting Africa into the map. Africa Kalami, Africa my beautiful continent, arise and shine. Now, this is a time to fight for our freedom. Arise and shine, Africa, arise and shine.